afternoon. It's currently 12:47 p.m. I just eat my lunch with my family. So I ate with my mom and my dad since my two sisters are in school, and I'm here in Bulacan because there's a jeepney strike in Manila. Therefore, we're having online classes for the week. So yeah, I'm just finishing it up, vibing to the music, and I hope you guys will enjoy this type of videos because I really want you to enjoy it. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah,
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can we just say its name instead of...
I use this spray to spray it all over my linen so it smells so good whenever I sleep, and I'm only like fixing my stuff right now.
This bad we can
To adjust to an
fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Oh, it's been a weekend here in this
Tinda ka naman. Parang, ano tayo magpipicture? Pakit ko your...
fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
Isa pa, pangit.
One, two.
It's been a weekend here in this bed. We can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in.
Kuya palagay. Title ka. Nakita mo ba yung ID ni Ate? Nakita mo na yung ID ni Ate siya? Tan.